Hi, I'm Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about lenders near you. So if you're out there Googling saying, hey, lenders near me, which one's the best option? Look, this is just my opinion on what I would do if I'm looking for a mortgage professional to buy a home, to help me get the mortgage for financing. First and foremost, get a feel for who they are as a person, right? So business is all about who you know, like, and trust. And you may not know these folks. So now you got to figure out if you like them, and then you got to trust them. So to do that, just get a feel. Ask the normal questions you'd ask about just if you met them on the street and you're face to face. Hey, what do you do? How long you been doing it? How many families have you helped this year? What about last year? So guys, if you're working with a mortgage professional where they help 10, 15 families a year, while that is great and commendable, personally, I'd rather work with somebody who does closer to 200, 250, 300 families a year. Because again, the volume's there, they've seen it, they've seen all kinds of styles of income, they've seen all structures of loans, and they can probably do it a little better and quicker, and hopefully with a little bit better conveyor belt. So for me, and this is my opinion, I'd pick somebody that does a lot of business, knows what they're talking about, and has a great outlet. So the other question to ask is more information about their company. Who do they work for? How long have they worked there for? Why did they choose that company over another? Who's their closest competitor? So if you're comparing them to somebody else, figure out who they compete most with, so you know if you're talking to apples to apples. For me, again, it's getting that comfort, making sure you're working with the right person who's not just knowledgeable, but has your best interest at heart. Maybe ask how they get their business. How do they get their business? Is it all online business? Do they get it from real estate referrals and their past customers? Or does the bank or the institution they work for give them the leads? I think that's important. If they're out there hustling and getting the business for themselves, friends, family, realtors, builders, that means they're doing a really good job because people are voluntarily sending them the business. It's not to take away from a bank or an institution that gives them leads. That's great. But again, guys, if I'm going for somebody that I want to take the best care of me, I'm going for somebody that makes a living doing that. So those are my kind of few big tips on what I would at least ask. Again, get to know them as people. Get that warm and fuzzy, because at the end of the day, most mortgages are going to be a commodity. You call a really good mortgage guy, call a really good mortgage gal, compare them, they're probably going to be very, 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 very close. The question that you got to fight off is just if you're calling somebody who's not of, we'll just say that somebody that maybe is not competing the way they should for a mortgage, and they compare it to somebody who's really good, you might find the difference and it'll be very obvious. So if you have questions, call us. I assure you, we're one of the good guys. So call us and let us give us the opportunity to earn your business, and we'll certainly do our best. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching this video.